Good afternoon, students. So now we are going to tackle about spherical mirrors. So specifically, we will be tackling about first the terminologies that aton masugatan sa pag-learn naton about spherical mirrors. So, spherical mirrors differ in their ability to reflect light. Here are some terms that you will encounter frequently in studying spherical mirrors. Ready na? Ready na? Aha, aha. Nga na sina. Okay, for our first term, it is what we call the center of curvature. So, what is the center of curvature, ma'am? Imagine the mirror is a slice of ball. So, tanawa diri ang iya illustration, circle is a size of ball. The center of that ball, that is what we call the center of curvature. Center siya sang pagka-curve. So that is what we call center of curvature. For our second term, we have the vertex, or in other words, pole. Okay? The very middle of the mirror surface, if you were to touch the center of the mirror, that's the vertex. So as what we can see, inang may ara sang letter V. Kung nag-curve ang mirror, imo i-touch ang mirror, ang center sina, that is what we call the vertex. So ma'am, nanong kalainan ni vertex and then ni center of curvature? Kay center man to si curvature, ma'am. Si center of curvature kay nanuman ara siya sa circle. Sa siya gid ang tunga tanawa diri. So imagine nun nato na may ara ina siya dira sang usa ka circle. Di ba nano mini siya nga type of mirror? It is a concave mirror. So for example, ato ni na siya dira i-human pag circle ang tunga-tunga sina, that is what we call the center of curvature. However, diri gayud attach sa mirror, which is a concave mirror, ang center i-touch naton sa glass, that is what we call the vertex. Okay, so let's proceed with the next term. We have the radius of curvature represented by letter R. When we see letter R in spherical mirror, that means radius of curvature. Kung makakita kita yung letter C, that means center of curvature. And makakita kita yung letter V, that means the pole or the vertex. So according here in its definition, radius of curvature is the distance from the middle of the mirror to the center of the ball it's a part of. So, nano man yan ini siya si middle of the mirror. What is the middle of the mirror? It is the vertex, 'di ba? The middle of the mirror, when we touch it, that is the vertex. And then to the center of the ball. What is the center of the ball or sa usa ka circle? That is the center of curvature. So that means ang distance sina between the curvature as well as the vertex is what we call the radius of curvature. Next, we have the principal axis, or also known as the optical axis. So as what we can see here, based on the definition, it is an imaginary line that goes straight from the middle of the mirror and the center of the ball. Again, the middle of the mirror refers to the vertex and the center of the ball refers to the center of curvature. So it's like the mirror's backbone. So the line, kakita ka mo sini, ang line pakadto sa curvature, that is what we call the optical axis. So now let's proceed with the principal focus. So let's start with the principal focus of a concave mirror. So when sunlight hits the mirror, it all comes together at one point. Of course, 'di ba ang light rays maigo siya sa mirror. So mubanda siya, may ara gyud siya point na maigo. That point is what we call the principal focus. Now, let's proceed with the principal focus of a convex mirror. So, if you trace the reflected sunlight backward from a convex mirror, it looks like it's all coming from one point behind the mirror. The point is what we call the principal focus. So in a convex mirror, of course, I've mentioned earlier that convex and concave mirror has a different way in reflecting light. In a convex mirror, na naman ang mahitabo, it will pass through to the back. So, ang light kay makadto siya dito sa luyo. So, ang sa convex mirror kay ang iya focus, ang iya center of curvature kay ara siya sa back. Okay? At the back or behind the mirror. So, si light ray niigo siya and then ni-reflect siya pero nikadto siya, nilusot siya diri sa likod. That is ang naigo niya na point, that is what we call the principal point, but behind the mirror. So now, for our last term, we have the focal length. Hay masini si focal length, ma'am? The focal length is the small letter f or represented by small letter f. It is the distance from the middle of the mirror to that special focus point. So the middle of the mirror, we already know when we hear middle of the mirror, it represents or it means vertex. So, ang iya kuno distance from the vertex to the focal point, that is what we call the focal length. Okay? So, that would be all for our terminologies.